Okay, let's go. Now we're on the live stream. So right now, Cooper and Friends, make sure to subscribe to Cooper and Friends for notifications, and make sure to thumbs up. And thank you guys for subscribing. Cooper and Friends live stream.
Or just hook it.
The bird is right now, right there. Guys, right now we're having a bit of a technical difficulties. This is Cooper and Friends News Corps, and make sure to subscribe to Cooper to Shazam.com. And thank you guys. We're going to have a live stream soon for Fortnite with Cooper and Mr. Birdie, which we're going to name Shazam the Cooper. For Shazam.com, make sure to subscribe to
I'll
his.
be playing.
And make sure to subscribe to Cooper and Friends.
I mentioned. If I put it
And Shazam.com is here right now. There he is. And
get it out.
we're getting him out.
Stay on the grass.
Getting him out. We're getting him out, okay? Sorry for that.
Oh!
No!
It's a good shot of him flying, guys. Look at him trying to escape through the little.
It went in the hole.
Want me to take that thing out? No, just don't.
Take it out.
Oh wait, no, I thought that was.
That
the
doesn't
two.
come out.
That was the two. It does come out, but it's quite complicated.
It's okay. Just let go. Let go.
Oh, it's afraid to.
It's okay. What's this? You want? I don't want to put it.
We're on our live stream
wait,
right
get
now.
Ready.
Okay, get ready.
Okay,
And he's out.
Wait,
Back
where's
to
he?
the wild. There he goes. Now we're gonna get him.
Okay, I got a perfect stream.
Let it.
Hi, baby. Aw,
Neville, get away.
We got him.
Neville, move. Neville, you're stepping on the seeds. Neville, the bird
Stepping on the seat.
Okay, not my. I don't care.
Yes, you should.
I should have just
It's
tapped.
ballless poop anyway.
He's not scared.
That's bird food.
Don't tell.
Where did you get bird food? Did you have to go to the store?
Yeah, we have bird
If they
feeders,
say
so we
this,
always
they're
get
gonna
bird
have
food.
Oh. Cooper's up right over there. Oh my god.
No, wrong way, dude.
Wrong way, dude.
No, get out of there. Get out of there, Cooper.
I see it. I see the bird. Oh, it's flying away.
Guys, you'll just fly away.
Go, bro.
That way. No, that way.
Wait,
No, that way.
There's the bird. There's the little birdie.
Oh, you see him?
Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Shavam Decom.
No, actually, he looks like he's gonna stay here and call for his mates.
Guys, let it stay over there. It's fine. Cooper never goes.
Guys, we'll update you later.
Okay, guys, make sure to subscribe, turn on notifications, and we'll see you on the next video. Do, 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 do. Now it's back to our
He's right
live
there
stream.
near the fence.
Boo-doo-doo-doo.
No, guys, we need to stop.
Cooper.
We can go through that thing. And
Yeah.
Coop was right there.
I see it. It's right over there. Bye.